27th, 2017 is a day Houstonians will never forget. Hurricane Harvey dumped record-breaking rainfall on the Bayou City. The storm didn't just destroy property, it changed lives forever. Something the McKnight family has experienced twice.
My name's Jennifer McKnight. This is my husband, Scott, and our 5 boys from the age of 4 to 15. We were in New Orleans with only number 1 and number 2 when our house flooded in Katrina. We evacuated, and this is the level of crazy we're living in right now.
The McKnights moved to Meyerland after escaping Hurricane Katrina's wrath. They never thought they'd see a storm like that again, let alone 12 years later.
Well, here we are sitting in floodwaters post Hurricane Harvey in Houston, Texas. So this is our street. I know it doesn't really look like a street.
With hurricane season on the horizon, the McKnights are still trying to finish repairs on their house.
This is the flooded house. We had 18 inches of water, which means that it involved the electrical, so we had to replace all of the electrical.
Meanwhile, down the street in Maryland Estates, the McMillan family is also eager to make their house a home again. Their neighborhood took a beating, and they've waited months just to get a contractor.
You don't know how much money you're going to get, so then you don't know how much money you have to spend. So that's partially why it took us forever to get started, besides everyone being busy, just needing to get that dollar figure. But fortunately, we had insurance.
Life hasn't been real easy. As you can see, we've got our life in a pod that's on a driveway and in two warehouses or storerooms where they are. And then all the rooms are packed in boxes and whatnot.
Their home should be complete in the next few months. Blink, and it will be hurricane season again. So what does the county plan to do to prevent another flooding catastrophe?
We've got to say this is our most serious problem right now, and we have to address it. And the federal government's going to contribute. They already have. The state government's going to do whatever it's going to do. But we've got to take this on locally and say resilience, flood control, mitigation. Those are all the things we have to address.
Harris County voters will have their say on August 27th, the one-year anniversary of Harvey. If the bond referendum is approved, the county could borrow up to $2.5 billion to spend on hundreds of flood mitigation projects. County Judge Ed Emmett says it's less about the wind and more about the rain.
My big concern is that too many people are still talking about Hurricane Harvey, but we didn't get hit by Hurricane Harvey. We got the rains after the hurricane had already dissipated. So I'm afraid that the message is going to be a little bit difficult to get out this year.
Meteorologist Eric Berger was one of the first to accurately predict Harvey's landfall and the devastating impact of the rain on Houston. His advice on getting prepared?
There's several steps that you can take to prepare your house for a hurricane. The first and most important step that you should be taking now is to get flood insurance for your home. The second thing is if you have windows on your home, chances are when it was built, if it was built recently, you had some plywood squares that were cut at the time that fit each individual window. If you don't have those, you may want to have that done. Another thing you can do with your house is to make sure that you have your important documents higher up.
Most importantly, don't procrastinate.
So you really want to have a plan, and you really want to stock up those basic supplies before the season begins.
The National Hurricane Center is making changes to the way it communicates hurricane threats. First, by narrowing the cone of uncertainty, which means they'll be able to determine more precisely where a hurricane will make landfall. Second, communicating storm hazards 48 hours in advance, giving you more time to prepare. And finally, using new tools to forecast when sustained winds reach 40 miles per hour. That's when it's too dangerous to be outside and too late to prepare for the coming storm. If we learn anything from Hurricane Harvey, it's that Mother Nature is full of surprises. So it's up to you not to get caught off guard. Plan, prepare, don't procrastinate. Only then will you survive the storm.